Hey guys, I want to show you how you can make your first $1,000 with the Systeme.io affiliate program. But more importantly, I want to review the entire Systeme.io affiliate program, how it works, and how I've been able to make a nice amount of money. And I just started really promoting this program. Now, Systeme.io is an all-in-one business solution for anyone who's trying to build their business online. So if anyone needs a funnel builder, an email autoresponder, a webinar software, this software can literally do it all. But the crazy thing about it is it's 100% free. I mean, you don't even need a credit card to sign up. Now, I know what you're thinking as an affiliate marketer. How am I supposed to make money if the software is free? But that's what I want to explain in this video, and how it works and how you can actually start making some money with it. Now, I went ahead and logged into my affiliate dashboard of Systeme.io, but to get here, once you create your free account, all you will have to go is to up to the top, click dashboard, and then up under that, click affiliate dashboard. Now, if you don't have an account yet, I'm going to leave my link down below this video where you can create your own free Systeme.io affiliate account. But I just wanted to let you know, when you click that link, it's going to ask you to create your free account with Systeme.io. Don't get confused. They're tied together to where you can navigate your affiliate dashboard and your regular Systeme.io account all in the same place. But once you log in, you go to dashboard and you click on affiliate dashboard, you'll be able to see and have access to all of your affiliate stats. And once you're on the inside, you'll be able to see how many leads you have, how much money you've earned so far with your commissions, how much has been paid out, and how much is pending. You can also see how much you've made in the last 30 days or 7 days, and any other amount or custom amount of time. Now, I want you to understand the reason why it's pending is because they have a refund amount time. So obviously, if somebody refunds within that time, you won't get paid. But need not to worry, if they don't refund, once that refund grace period is over, you'll be paid out. And just so you know, they do the payouts using PayPal. So all you have to do is create you a PayPal account if you don't already have one, upload that information into your Systeme.io account. And once you receive commissions after the refund grace period, you will be paid out. And it's real simple to do. Now let's take a deeper look at some of the stats. As you can see, Systeme.io tells you how many people that have actually signed up and are paying for the software. So these will be your payments and the leads from those people. They also tell you though how many leads you've got. So these are people that have signed up, but they're still using the free version of the software. But this lets you know all of the potential income you have coming in once these people start making money in their business and they upgrade. The cool thing about Systeme.io, they build goodwill with the customers. So they give people free access to the software. And when people keep using the software, they're going to eventually upgrade because they're going to reach the limits within the free version.